Inside every cell, there is a constant negotiation between growth and survival. One of the key players in that negotiation is FOXO signaling, a family of transcription factors that helps determine which genes a cell turns on or off. A transcription factor is a protein that enters the nucleus, binds specific regions of DNA, and controls gene expression. In many ways, transcription factors function like molecular directors, deciding which cellular programs are activated at a given moment. When FOXO is active, it binds DNA and activates genes involved in stress resistance, autophagy, antioxidant defense, DNA repair, glucose production, apoptosis. But when nutrients and growth signals are abundant, another pathway takes control. AKT signaling, insulin binds the insulin receptor, causing PI3K to build a PIP3 scaffold on which AKT is activated. Activated AKT enters the nucleus and phosphorylates FOXO, forcing it out of the nucleus and shutting down its transcriptional programs. This single signaling event suppresses gluconeogenesis, autophagy, oxidative stress defenses, DNA repair, apoptosis, muscle catabolism, cell cycle arrest pathways.